Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'll be walking you through on the trade I took earlier this week on Tuesday. But before then, I'll be showing you how I approach the market. On this sequence, it's called market maker monthly sequence. So how I approach the sequence is that I look for my draw on liquidity. My draw liquidity on this chart on EU, it's our previous month low. So to trade to the previous month low, we need to look for a stop run or one on stops on previous week high. So let's move down to previous week chart. This is our previous week chart. So look at this scenario. Price has swept this high. So I now anticipate this current week to be bearish. Looking for a bearish week, so we now have to move to the daily time frame to confirm if we're going to be trading bearish or not. So this is Monday trading here. Price closes below this order block because this candle here it was a candle that traded into the week high, and another candle here closes below the candle. So I have to confirm this trading day as my order block. So on this current week, this is Monday trading, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I took a trade on EU on Tuesday. So this Monday trading confirms that this day is my order block, and because it closes below the candle. So for this Tuesday trading day, that's the trade that I took, and I'll be showing you the reason why I took a sell on that day. So let's move to our our 4-hour time frame to see how I look at the trade. So on this day, I anticipate price to sweep Monday's low. Time frame. This is Monday's low here. This is Monday's low. So I anticipate a sell that is a price to take out this low. So on the 4-hour time frame, since our previous day's low is our draw liquidity, so what I look for in the market is that I look for a previous session high on stops. So on this Tuesday candle 1 a.m., that is our London session, this 5 a.m. candle is the candle that took out previous session high. That is, it took out London high. So after it took out the high, closes bearish. This set the stage for me to continue looking for a down prices into the previous day's low. So let me move to 1-hour time frame. So look at the chart. It's very clear that we are having a bearish session on New York session, as in to take out this previous low, that is Monday's low. So how I entered the trade is I went to 15-minute time frame. 15-minute, look at it. It's very clear here. So this high here is 3:15 a.m. That is London high. This is the high that was created during London session. Then price traded below, showing a fake downward move. So I was very patient to wait for what price would do. So during our during London opening, that is another candle that formed after London session, took out the high and closes below the high. It forms a CISSD. So from this spot, I started looking for down prices. So I entered my trade from this exact, although the price make a CISSD from this spot, I didn't enter from there. So I waited for the price for the candle to close. It closes below this order block here, the candle that swept the high. So I enter my trade from there. From here, my target 2 hour. So easy. Thank you for listening to my channel, to my video. Please like, subscribe, and share.